the uncertainties of the future. I promise to be faithful to you, to love you, to commit to you, and support you. I pledge to respect your unique talents and abilities, to lend them strength for all of your dreams. You have shown me what love feels like, and for that, I thank you. You are everything I need at this moment. I know all of my prayers have been answered, and that all of my dreams have come true. I praise God for you all, for all of your love and constant friendship. I know that our love is heaven sent, and I promise to be here forever and always. From this day forward, you shall not walk alone. My heart will be your shelter, and my arms will be your home. As I have given you my hand to hold, I give you my life to keep. I believe in you, Paul, and I will be there for you always.
Please stay a marital best friend, the one I love with, as we share a life one recess, as we find a new enjoyment and experience all that best. The one I love, because the world seems brighter, our happy times together in the world is much lighter. The one I love, with every fiber of the soul. Please keep me globally, complete, now together we approve. You and I forever.
What day is it? And in what month? This clock never seems so alive. I can't keep up, and I can't back down. I've been losing so much time. 'Cause it's you and me, and all other people, nothing to do, nothing to lose. And it's you and me, and all other people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you. One of the things that I wanna say just aren't coming out right. I'm tripping on words, you got my head spinning. I don't know where to go from here. 'Cause it's you and me, and all other people, nothing to do, nothing to prove. And that's you and me, and all other people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you.
Maraming salamat sa pumunta ngayon. Bali, hindi namin na-expect na ganito kami si Tanay. Although lang masikip yung lugar na pag-checkan nyo para na mag-stay kahit pa paano. Sana nabusog namin kayo. And yun, maraming salamat sa lahat ng tumulong sa preparation dito para maging successful ang wedding namin. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa pagdating sa pinaka-importanteng araw sa aming buhay ni Paul. Sana po nabusog kayo. Ingat po sa pag-uwi.
I can only give you love that lasts forever, and the promise to be near each time you call, and the only heart I own for you and you alone. That's all, that's all. I can only give you country walks in springtime, and a hand to hold when leaves begin to fall, and a love whose burning light will warm the winter night. That's all.